Meantime, it appears that the accused teen gunman Ethan Crumbley will be pursuing an insanity defense.
This notice filed today will begin the process of psychiatric evaluation. Our team coverage continues with 7 Action News reporter Simon Shayquette. He has more on what that process looks like and what the defense team will have to prove.
Legal experts on both sides agree that an insanity defense is a practical strategy for accused Oxford High School shooter Ethan Crumbley. However, not an easy one to prove.
What we're seeing here, in my opinion, is a valiant effort by the defense.
15-year-old Ethan Crumbley faces charges of first-degree premeditated murder, attempted murder, and domestic terrorism. The accused Oxford High School shooter, represented by a court-appointed team, has now filed paperwork to pursue an insanity defense for what took place November 30th.
It goes back to old law school textbook, something called the McNaughton Rule. At the time the person committed the particular act, he must have been in a state of mind that he couldn't appreciate the wrongfulness of his conduct.
Defense attorney Arnold Reed has handled hundreds of criminal cases and says with lives lost in the wake of this tragedy, it is not a surprise to see this move.
If you're guilty but mentally ill, you're still going to prison. The only thing is you're going to get treatment, you're going to get psychoanalyzed, you're going to get a lot of programs.
He says there's always a potential for a not guilty by reason of insanity verdict as well, which could result in being sent to a mental facility rather than a prison. With 4 people dead and 7 others injured, experts say much focus could center on social media posts and drawings by Ethan already made public. Prosecutors have already pointed out Ethan altered drawings he was caught with just prior to the shooting of a gun. The phrase, "the thoughts won't stop," blood everywhere, and "my life is useless."
I would say it's not quite as uncommon as one might think. Ultimately, it's up to a judge or a jury at trial to determine whether or not the defendant fits the definition of legal insanity.
Former Assistant Prosecutor Joseph Levine also adding an insanity defense has been used before in high-profile cases. In this case, prosecutors have video footage, numerous witnesses, and more. Keep in mind, at potential sentencing, a judge would have final say on whether or not Ethan is to serve a life sentence. So far, that evaluation is not yet scheduled. Also important to point out that the defense could request an independent evaluation if they are not satisfied with the state's review. Simon Shayquette, 7 Action News.
All right, thank you so much, Simon.